Hello, so this is Maddie. I'm Maddie. Hello. So today I actually am going to be doing a hair video. I actually got this in the mail today. Bombay Hair. I already did open it just to look at it, but I washed my hair, fresh clean hair, and we're going to try these out today. So, like I said, I did open it, and here's the bag it came in. Came in with this like little satin like bag. It barely fits in there though. And what I got today, I actually have a receipt here. So I got a color espresso number 2, 22 inches, 270 grams. So today we're gonna be trying these out. My hair is pretty long, so hopefully it blends pretty good. My hair's pretty nice. But I also did get some clips with a little bit of thread in there. Extras. Like 3. 4 actually. Ooh, I got 4. And then just like the care, like clipping care. How to store it, returns, exchanges, like wearing it. Things you can do with it. So let's get to the extensions. Okay, I'll show you the first part, like the tester, I'm guessing. Okay. Oh, I forgot. 1 second. I got my scissors. Just so I could cut it. But, okay. So this is the tester part. It is put like 2 together, I think. It looks like it, but yeah. It's so pretty. Feels so soft, and it's thick, like from root all the way to the ends. You see that? And then this is the other part. And this is Bombay Hair. It's a Canadian company. Actually, I'm not too sure if they're Canadian. I think they are based in Canada, like Vancouver. But yeah, they're so pretty. And it will look like it looks like it matches pretty good. Yeah, it matches like pretty nice. It's not too longer than my hair, other than the layers, but like we'll see. I might not even have to like blend them in. Okay, so we'll cut the strings just because I know I want them. If they don't match, do not cut the strings because then you can't return it. If it's not your color. So this one first comes with 2 clips. And look at the lace. The lace looks so nice. It's like nice and sturdy, but they're not too thick. I feel like my hair could cover it pretty good. And this is just one right here. Just one, the 2 piece. Oh, and they're pretty sturdy, the clips. Okay, those 2. Open the other side. I got like a little hive happening right here. I don't know why. You can kind of see it. And it's itchy. I'm trying not to scratch it. I'm really allergic to so many things and I honestly hate it. The bigger ones. Okay, so the first one that comes out is a big 4-piece clip. They smell really good actually. Like they kind of like smell like coconut, I think. Like coconut. This is the big 4-piece left. It's like so thick. Ooh. Okay, put that one aside. And then the next one is another 4-piece clip, but a little smaller. And then the next one is a 3-piece clip. They're like no tangles, they're so soft. Sorry if I'm shaky, I just had I'm still drinking coffee, like on my 3rd coffee. Iced coffee, I love iced coffee. I bought it from like Walmart so I could have my own at home. Because I'm not in a city right now, so I can't get my iced coffees every day. Yeah. Okay, well anyways, yeah, my 3rd 3-piece clip. And then let's see. There's another 3-piece clip. Oh, that's a little bit of tangles there, but it comes right out. You see that? 3-piece. And you see the stitching. It's pretty thin. I felt like one of them was like really a lot thicker because it's more like voluminous. I'll show you when I'm going through it. And then I have 1 pieces. The 1 pieces. Like, yeah, these ones are just like, I'll show you. Just like the little 1 piece. They are pretty thick for 1 piece. See that? And they're 22 inches, if I didn't say that already. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is straighten my hair, and what I like to do is straighten my hair at the same time as putting them in. So I could section them at the same time, you know. My hair's not too thick. And I also have a good straightener. I have an ion. It's titanium. My hair gets so shiny and so straight with this, and it stays straight. But I'm just gonna put it up at 360, 370. And then we're just gonna get to it. And also I'm gonna use this hairspray just because I wanna like spray like the top so I could tease it a little bit, because my hair sometimes doesn't hold extensions as good because it's a little more silky at the root. So I need to make it a little more grippy. But I haven't tried these ones yet. This is my first time trying Bombay. I tried Bellamy before, but Bellamy I just found like it fell apart so fast for me. Maybe it was a bad batch, who knows, but on to another one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, oops, sorry. Close that. Okay. So I'm going to part my hair in the bottom. I'll part it and then I'll show you. Okay. And just tie all this up. Okay. So you're left with like this. I might even like, I think this might be good. So in the back, it looks like this. Hopefully it looks straight. What I'm going to do is put the extension in first and then straighten my hair. What I'm going to do is tease my hair in three little parts where the clips are, just so it could like grip onto something so it doesn't come out as easy. Into a little piece like right here. And then I'm going to spray the root. go. Got a nice little tease there. And we're going to do it in all the other spots. Here. I did measure it before, so I know exactly where to put it. This. And then you're going to want to put your extension in. And I usually start in the middle just so the sides could be nice and tight. Because sometimes if you do the middle last, you'll get like little bumps. You might be able to see it. Can't even see my hair. Oh my god, it blends in so good. Okay, I'm gonna take my straightener. And I always do the chase method with the brush. I go nice and slow. The slower you go with a certain heat, the less you have to straighten. Like with the steam coming off of this, I could smell like the coconut or something in it. It smells good. And they came smelling like that. Like, that's nice. It's like they must have sprayed the hair, or maybe the bag, with like a coconut spray. It's pretty nice. I love that. If you're sensitive to smells, you might want to wash them first. After you do wash them, they will kind of like fluff up a bit and look a little more natural. But for me right now, because my hair, when I straighten my hair, it does look very silky. So I kind of want to keep the luster for as long as I could. Because my hair has that natural luster. This is the first piece in. Just one piece. A 3-clip. Yeah. Bitch. Bitch. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing, and I'm gonna fast forward a bit. I'm just gonna repeat all the same thing to the same things going up. And every time I tease it, I'm gonna match to where you're gonna place the clip-ins. That's like, if you measure it to your head, you could like feel where they're gonna be. I would just tease there. I don't know why, but my camera turned off. Okay, let's do this again. It better have saved, I swear. Just out of nowhere, so it turned off for some reason. I think it's just because it was like I haven't touched the screen in a while. So I'm recording on my phone. See how good it blends? Like, you can't even see between my real hair and like the extensions. The lighting is kind of, it's like natural lighting. It's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Sorry, sometimes I just gotta like think in my mind for a second. Like, just remember, you know, where it's placed. You see how long my real hair is? It's like, my hair's pretty long. Like a few years ago, I actually like chopped my hair into like a bob. And I loved it. It was like an A-line bob, a little bit longer in the front. But ever since then, and I did it just because my hair was kind of damaged, and it was like, I kind of want longer hair. And I'm probably not going to get it with all this damage. So I cut it all off. Now my hair is just, it's never been healthier. It's been growing so fast lately. I'm hoping that like by next summer at least it's gonna be this length. We'll see. As long as I take care of my hair. And I'm using the Aussie Mega Hairspray. It smells so good. I don't know what's going on. My phone keeps shutting, like, well, it's not shutting off, but it's like goes out of the app. Oh, well, like the camera app. Remember, panties out, as my dad always told me. Okay, let's carry on. Hopefully the camera doesn't do that again, because that's kind of annoying. I don't know if I could fit them all in, honestly. And I want to put them all in. I don't want to, like, be that bitch that, like, doesn't put them all in, you know? Oh, I can't fit it all in. Well, bitch, show me. I want to see it all in. Sorry if I'm swearing too much for you, but that's just who I am. I'm just that bitch, you know? But, you know, I really do hate that when people, like, are telling you something and, like, they don't show you the whole bundle. It's like, girl, I want to see the whole thing. Especially when they're like, oh, I have 270 grams. But then they don't put the whole thing in. It's like, that's not showing us. I get you can't, but girl, try. See all these layers that, well, you probably don't see, but I have a lot of layers, so like, it might blend in really good, but they're kind of choppy, so I'm hoping that they don't show too much. There we go, so far. This natural lighting is literally making my face look so good. I love it. I like straight hair. Straight hair is my go-to, always. There we go. And then the rest, I'll just straighten it. And then I'll kind of decide where to put these. The little mini one pieces. My little bang pieces always seem to be so hard to straighten. Like in the front here, they just never want to go. This is my good side. This side always cooperates. It's always this side. It's when I cut my bangs short like that, it always ends up doing that. But when I keep them long, then they just stay straight. I mean, depends. Ever since I got this one, I found it's been better. And this is the Ion, like, Gator straightener. I love this brand. And I have them, like, a bunch of, like, Ion brand tools like this because they're so good. And they're all titanium. So, you know you're going to get a good result. Okay, so straighten these pieces and then I'll be right back. Take a little coffee break, I guess. I almost need more. spray and tease it. You don't have to use the one pieces if you don't want to, but I like wearing all my extensions. I like being that mermaidy princess bitch with all the hair. Like my uncle always tells me, Becky with the good hair. That bitch Becky with the good hair. Just kidding. There we go. I'll show you kind of how I do it. I just like take it from halfway, push up, and push up again. That's all. You don't have to tease your hair like crazy. Start from like down here and then work your way up. Okay, there. Bitch. I am gonna slay this hair all the time. I can't wait. Even Halloween. Oh my god. Halloween I'll be Morticia with this long dark hair. I will slay. Even when I'm at work, bitches are probably gonna be like, your hair. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch, it's me. It's mine. It's all me because I paid for it. But yeah, these extensions are honestly amazing. Okay, I still have one more. Getting ahead of myself. But you don't even understand. These look so good. And I'll show you one more time how I do my teasing. First I brush it. Oh, my ends are getting a little tangly. And take a piece of it. There we go. And then I just go from halfway, and you just go slightly. And you can just push it up. You see? And it's just there. And usually the teasing doesn't show through just because the clip's on top of it. There we go. Okay. And I'll just straighten it one more time just to blend it in. Yes, bitch. I am feeling myself. They're so thick. And these are 270 grams of hair. The ends. I will show you a better angle, but... So this is how it looks.
I shine so bright, you might go blind. Blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice? You look nice, don't it? I bet we could roll out when I show.
So good. Like, it looks just like my real hair. So if you watch this and you're still here and you're not bored of me yet, I guess subscribe. Oh, my lash. Subscribe, like, comment, share, hopefully. If you want to see more, definitely do all that, and see you another time. Thank you for watching.